Ever feel like your paintings are missing depth, warmth, or emotion? These three earthy tones, Dyck Brown, burnt sienna, and Mars red, can transform any painting from flat to alive. Struggling with flat shadows? Dyck Brown adds subtle, natural shading without overpowering your colors. Want to create warmth and atmosphere? Burnt sienna brings cozy tones and richness to any scene. Need a pop of life? Mars red enhances focal points and adds emotional vibrancy to your painting. Mix, layer, and explore endless shades. Your palette becomes richer and your paintings more versatile. From flat to alive, from ordinary to captivating, 3 simple colors make all the difference. Start experimenting with these 3 colors today and watch your paintings transform. Your watercolors will never look the same.
Loved watching this video. There is more where that came from here on the Altenew official YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button so you don't miss out on any of the crafty fun. See you soon and happy crafting.